So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you about custom signals. So if you open your Godot documentation, you can see there is a topic called custom signals and what this does. So you can actually use the signals. For example, if you click on any node here and you can go on the inspector tab and right to the inspector, you can see there is a nodes part here and there is a signal tab here. So in the signal tab you can see there is a lot of signals, so you can use all these signals and connect them through the to your script, right? How you can create your own signals? So let's start with creating your own signals. For example, if I want to create my own signal, how you can do that? So you can just do add any script. For example, I'm going to add a button.gd script. You can use any node here to create your own script. Now, in order to declare your own signal, what you need to do is you need to type signal and you can just add any name to your signal. For example, I want to add a name of the signal to text changed, right? So I am adding the signal which is called as text changed. Now if I click on the button, you can see this signal is now added to my uh, tab here. Okay, signal tab here. Now you can just double click on it and you can see you can directly add this method to your script, right? So I'm just connecting it. So now you can see now I have connected, right? So let's print text changed. And after doing this, let's see how you can emit your signals. So for example, you can see you have to emit your own signals in order to run this method, right? This method will run when we emit the signal. So right now we are not emitting the signal, we have just declared and we have created the method for it. So how we can emit the signal? So for example, let me create a situation where we can emit the signal. So for example, I have a very simple example here. We have a scene with some text here and some button here. So for example, if I will click on this button. What it does? Um, Something like subscribe me. And for example, let's do this. So what this will do? So when I click on the button, it will basically set the text of the label to subscribe me, right? So now we can emit the signal. How we can emit the signal? You can just see your documentation and you can go here down. So you don't need to do anything, you just need to take the signal name and dot emit. So let's take this as the signal name. So we can just do this and we can just set dot emit and make sure it's a method. Okay, so once you have done that, you can see if I will press the button, it will print text change on my output console, right? So let's start the scene and let's see how it works. So I'm clicking on this, so you can see the text has been changed and you can see it's saying that text changed. So that's how you can create your own custom signals, and custom signals are very important. There are a lot of things you can create with your own custom signals. You can create your own emergency situations. For example, if you're creating a game where you need to constantly emit signals that you receive and do something with those signals, so you can just create your own signals as well. So that's how you can do that. So there's a lot of situation where you can't use your default signals, so you can just create your own signals and use them. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share this to your friends who works or do Godot, right? So yeah, thanks for watching.